Assigning staff to a project. In this section, we'll show you how to assign team members to a project. Remember, this is not about inviting new staff members to your Zistemo account. It's only about assigning staff who are already part of your Zistemo team to a project and their tasks. If you want to invite new members to your Zistemo account, go to Contacts, Staff, and add them there. Only staff members who are assigned to tasks within the project can track the time they spend on those tasks. In this example project, Strategic Financial Planning, we have assigned Peter, Paul, and Mary. If I try to track or add time for myself, I won't be able to because I'm not assigned to the project or any of its tasks. As a project manager, you have two ways to assign staff to a project. Option 1, assigning staff to a single task, quick and easy. Go to the board or list view and find the assignee column. If you don't see it, make sure the column is visible. For example, in the task Financial Data Collection, only Mary is assigned. To add more staff, click on the task, open the task details, and click on Assign Staff. You can then add a department, all staff members, or select specific people. And that's it. Your staff member is assigned to the task. Option 2, assigning staff for the whole project, overview and bulk actions. Click on Add Member. From here, you can add a department, all staff members, or specific individuals. Once added, the staff member is assigned to the project, but not to any tasks, so you'll see a warning. You can manually assign them to tasks using the board or list view, or use the bulk action, Assign Member to All Project Tasks, by clicking the icon. The icon will change to Unassign Member from All Project Tasks if you want to remove them. Additionally, you can set it so all listed staff members are automatically assigned to any new tasks created for the project. This ensures they'll be added to future tasks as soon as they're created. Don't forget to save your changes after making updates to the project settings. For more details, please refer to our knowledge base or contact customer support for assistance.